Just gonna give it a start. I'll show you. I got some tires as well. I got some second-hand tires for the car. I like the sound of that. Never get tired of that. But that muffler has got to go. So here, I got some second-hand tires. Give it a turn. Got some tires, second-hand, just to pass the roadworthy. $50 for some Pirelli tires. Yeah. So I got two front tires. I don't know what brand that is. I don't know which model it is, but it's a P0. P0. No, it's not. P0. Yeah. P0 Neuro. I think that's what it says. It's upside down. Yeah. So I'm procrastinating to do this clutch thing. I just want to drive the thing. I'm tired of working on it. But I know it's a project that's gonna keep me busy for a long time. But sometimes you just get tired of doing up cars and you just want to drive them. You start to ask questions like, why don't I just buy a newer one? But when you hear the engine, you start to think, oh, why not? Why not an old one? It's still good. Still sounds alright. Already warmed up the engine, by the way, so I had it running for a while before in the morning.